Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from IKEoptionWiki.com with today another video. Today I want to talk about 5 key videos I made in the past. If you watch those, you're probably going to be better than 80% of all binary option traders out there. They're just key points that you have to know when you're trading. It's all about the candlesticks and the support and resistance. First, I want you to look at my support and resistance level video. It's very important that you know about price fighting and support and resistance levels. They're created in the market. So I will put a link for that video in the description down below. And then there are 4 videos, 4 candlestick patterns that you need to know for the short-term binary option trading. They're reversal patterns. And that means the trend reverses whenever that candlestick appears on the chart. So the first one will be the doji candle. I made a whole video about that. That's actually the first video of the strategy series that I put out. The second one is the bullish engulfing candle. I put an image of it somewhere here. The second one will be the railway pattern. And then the last one will be the pin bar video, pin bar candles. They're also very important candles. Those are 4 key reversal patterns that they will show you the reversal in the short term. And for binary option turbo trading, if you trade 2 minutes, the reversal points are very, very important, especially when you, for entering a trade, you need to know a little bit about price fighting up and down. These patterns can help you big time, and I guarantee you you will be already 80% better than any other trader out there if you know these patterns. They're very important, and most traders don't know about these patterns. They only go look at their indicators, but indicators are not enough. You need to know about these candlestick patterns. So that's why I did shoot this video, just to make sure you watch those videos. I will put the links for those videos in the description down below. And I wish you happy trading. Like and subscribe, and good luck.